What's up, TRAILTRASH? Welcome or welcome back. So on this video, I'm really excited to bring it to you because I had a company reach out to me to see if I wanted to try out one of their sleeping pads, and that company is OGERY. And after looking into them and checking out what they had to offer, I said absolutely. And the reason I say that is because this one that I got is slightly under 77 inches, 77 inches long, and just under 49 inches wide. The tent I have is a TopOak Galaxy Lite, and with that footprint, I'm hoping it will fit inside my tent, because my old Galaxy, I had a Hess dually mattress, and it fit perfectly in the Galaxy 1.0, but it does not fit in, it's too wide, too long, and too thick for the Galaxy Lite. So I had to give that mattress up, which I didn't mind too much because the Galaxy Lite mattress really, it gave me some good night's sleep. But when OGERY reached out to me and I looked into their mattress, I said absolutely, because with this mattress, it's a memory foam plus it's also self-inflating, but it has a wireless pump or a cordless pump also that you can put in the mattress and air it up that way or deflate it that way. I jumped on the opportunity because I want to try it out in my rooftop tent, and I actually had my rooftop tent off for the past couple weeks doing, well, I guess since after the 4th of July. I went camping prior on the 2nd, and then after that I took my tent off and had some projects with it. I put some solar on it, which that video is out on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing that, check out that video. And also some roof rack lights on my FJ. That's what I've been working on, and I figured while I had it out, this is a perfect opportunity to show you the mattress, and we'll actually put it in there and see if it fits. But first I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and then we'll take it over there and see if it'll fit inside the tent. In the box, you get your mattress, and this is actually the storage bag, and I'll show you it in a minute once we take it out. But in the box, you'll get a USB cord to charge your air pump, which this is your little air pump, and you also get 2 nozzles with it, because those nozzles, they can be used on your air pump to air up other things like another mattress, or if you got floats or whatever, you can air that up. And it's just a double press, to operate it outside of the mattress. We'll go over that more once we open up the mattress. Also on the mattress, it is self-inflating, which it has 2 valves at the foot of the mattress, and you'll unlock those on both levels and just let it self-inflate for about 10 minutes, and then you put the plugs back in. I'll show you those, but the way I'll use it is with the wireless pump. First, let me set the camera up, and we'll take the mattress over to the tent and look at it and see how it fits. I like that the bag is large enough for this to actually fit in. And it comes with 2 straps. So after you get done and you roll it up, you're able to strap those in place and hold it together to get it in the bag. And that's a nice feature. Now, a couple neat features about this is it is a 4-season mattress, so you can use it year-round. And it has a 9.5 R value for insulation, which is going to be great during the winter time. Or this aluminum bottom on this tent, that will just, it'll help so much keeping me warm. And also it gets up to slightly over 3.1 inches, I believe, in thickness. So you've got a this end right here has your housing for your air pump, and I'll put that in a second. It also, on that end, it has, if you're going to self-inflate, it's these valves right here, and I've actually got a little air in there. No, it's actually sucking air in as soon as you pull that open. Oh wow, that's really cool. But it's got 2 layers, and you get it and the second layer out right there. You pull both of them to inflate it, or to deflate it by the self-inflating method. But we're not going to use that. We're going to roll this out, and it looks like it's going to fit. Oh wow, it is. That does fit. That's actually a perfect fit. And on this end, it's got a pillow, which once you inflate it, the pillow sticks up another inch. Well, it's a little more than an inch more than a mattress. So the mattress is at like 3.1 inch or 3.15 inch, and this is at 4.1 something. So it gets a little taller than the rest, which is really nice because I always have to stuff pillows behind my head on this end. So that's going to help out. But let's get the air pump in, and we'll inflate this. On your air pump, it's got an inflate side and a deflate side. When you put it into the housing, it doesn't matter which way you put it in. Just whenever you get ready to inflate or deflate, you just have to push it the direction that it says. So that's in there. I'm going to set up my cell phone timer. We will film it and try to capture how long it takes. I'm going to pull it to inflate, and then start our timer. You see the mattress moving. Timer's at 29 seconds. It is definitely airing up. That actually feels good to me at 47 seconds. Direction says it's fully aired up at 1.5 minutes, so I'm going to let it go for 1.5 minutes. It's definitely full. Yeah, I can hear it. All right, we're at 1 minute and 20 seconds. I want to shut it off at 1.5 minutes. Oh, wrong way. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's way too much for me. I'm thinking 45 seconds for me. Yeah, I love this, having the pillow there, because I only sleep with one pillow, and in here it always dipped down to the back. So now I think it'll sit perfectly there. It is a little tight here. I'll show you. So in this tent, you've got these handles that you have to put down whenever you're done. So it's not going to affect it, because it's just got to be, once you deflate it, those will come on the side. So that's not going to affect it, I don't think. I'll see over time, but you can see I went 1 minute and 30 seconds. And this is the foot area where you have your pump, and you have one of the valves for self-inflating or deflating on that side, and you also have one on this side. So you have two on the full version of this mattress. But you can see it's a lot thicker than it was. And to me though, it's way too firm like this. I would have to, I want to time it while I'll deflate it, but I'm pretty sure that a 45-second air up on this is all I'm gonna do, because this is too firm for me. But that's what I like about this. You're able to adjust it to how you like to sleep. Let me set the camera up and I'm gonna capture deflating this and see how long it takes. And to deflate it, you just go in the opposite direction as inflate and it will deflate. So here we go. Oh wow, yeah, it goes pretty quick too. Yeah, that is pretty impressive to me. And we're at 1 minute. That's impressive. I'm gonna let it go a little extra and just make sure I got everything out of it. Right, you can see how it has taken the air out. It's like almost, it reminds me of like a vacuum seal is what it did. It just sucks it down, kicks the air out of the pump, and you're good to go. Now I will take the pump out, but I will store, this will close in between there and there. That will close down. So I'm not worried about that. Mattress definitely fits in my tent and I'm really excited about that. It's really tight here, but this is what I was saying. Once it's deflated, those will lay down with no problem. Shouldn't have any issue. And those just lock in the tent. It also has this, which I always just leave my any of my braces or tent pieces, I just leave underneath my mattress, like my rain fly poles, always just clean them and leave them there. So always have them with no issue. That's going to do it for this video, and as you can see, it did fit in my tent, and once it's aired down, I don't think I have any trouble with closing the tent up. Everything's out of the way. I don't think I'll have to force anything. Definitely not, it's a lot thinner than the other mattress once it's aired down. So I think during the wintertime, I'll be able to hold more bedding up there during the winter, which would be great. And love the just the quickness of it. I aired it up for 1.5 minutes, but probably do about 40 to 45 seconds of air up. That felt like my firmness that I like. It won't take long to air up. It won't take long to air down and deflate it. Definitely worth it, I believe. This is my first one to try out, so I don't have anything else to compare it to besides the Hess Dually mattress that I had, which I actually like the Galaxy Lite mattress more than the Dually because the Galaxy Lite was a little more firm and I got better night's rest on that. And that's the thing with this, I'll be able to adjust this one. I'll be able to dial this one in to exactly how I like to sleep. That's another reason I wanted to test this thing out. But again, thank you, OGERY, for sending it out to me. If you guys got any questions, comments, please drop them below. If you're in the market for one, the link is in the description. They also have singles in different sizes and different colors. Check them out. Again, thank you guys for joining along. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And until next time, stay trashy.